Hello students, in the previous video I discussed about definition of subject verb agreement and rule 1 and 2. So now I am going to discuss for further rules. Let's start. So here is the rule number 3. Subjects that are joined by and in a sentence use a plural verb. Subjects that are joined by either or, neither nor use a singular verb. Okay, for example, Radha and Meera are coming home. Second example, neither Akshay nor Rohit is coming home. So when the subject is in plural verb, okay, then we will use their and if the subject is in singular verb, then we will use their either or, neither nor. Okay, here is the example. Now come to the rule 4. When the subject is followed by words such as well as, along with, besides, not, etc., ignore them and use a singular verb if the subject is singular. So in rule number 4, if the subject starts from as well as, along with, or beside, not, etc., then we have to ignore this subject. Okay, if the subject start with this form, okay, then we ignore them and we use their singular verb. The subject, if the subject is singular, then we use their singular verb. Okay, we have to ignore these all things. For example, Pratik along with his brother is going to school. Now come to the rule number 5. In sentence that begin with here, there, the true subject usually follow the verb. For example, here are the chocolates. Second example, there is a big puddle on the road. In rule number 5, if the sentence start with here, there, then we have to use their follow the verbs. Okay. Now come to the rule number 6. When a plural number is used for distance, weight and amount of money as a single figure or quantity, it takes a singular verb. So in rule number 6, distance, weight and amount of money is shows in plural number, but we have to figure them. We have to figure them, or quantity used in singular verb. Okay, for example, 500 kgs. Okay, 500 kgs of sugar is on order. Second, 700 meters is the minimum distance to reach the place. Third, 100 rupees is the minimum price for the ticket. Now come to the rule number 7. Words like a lot of, all, some, etc. are used in a sentence, then the noun after of is singular, then use a singular verb or vice versa. Okay, if there is singular verb, then we use their singular, and if there is a plural, then we use their plural verb. Okay, for example, all of the cake is gone. Second example, a lot of cakes are gone. Okay, this sentence is in a singular form and this one is in plural form. Now come to the rule number 8. Collective nouns are singular and take singular verb. Okay, for example, a bag of rice. A bag of rice is in collective noun. A bag of rice is ready for delivery. Second, a bundle of books is kept on the table. So a bag of rice, a bundle of books, these are collective noun. Now come to the rule number 9. Nouns such as mathematics, civics, news, etc. always take singular verb. For example, mathematics is very difficult for some people. Now come to the rule number 10. In the sentence that express a wish, request or fact, the word were instead of was. Okay, for example, I wish my sister were here. Okay. So with this we come to end of this lesson, and I hope that you all understood the subject verb agreement. Thank you.